One of the things that I like to do to try and get my arms around the enormity of human history is to condense the whole thing down as if it were just one calendar year. So, if you took the entirety of human history and you condensed it down to one calendar year, the pyramids would have been built on Christmas Day, and the founding of the US would have occurred on December 29th. So on December 29th, we're sitting here today on December 31st, of course, and on December 29th, the average life expectancy for a human in North America was 32 years, and 85% of the world was living in poverty on what would now be an inflation adjusted $2 or less a day. Now, the average life expectancy in the US is right about 80 years, and we are under 10% of the world living in poverty. Now, I don't mean to say there's no problems. There's still illness, there's still poverty, and we should still be doing everything we can to eradicate those things. But in large part, the script has been flipped. The search for bread has been searched for a search for belonging, and we are living in the most prosperous society in human history. And while it's easy to meet our physical needs, easier than it's ever been, and we're living longer, healthier, more prosperous lives than ever before, we are profoundly lonely and disconnected. And I'm going to be talking more about that in the days to come. But just wanted to introduce this timeline idea to you and say that I think the thinkers of the future, the businesses of the future, and the success stories of the future are really going to be around solving this problem. In 2 days, as it were, in human history, we have gone from short lives and abject poverty to long lives and great prosperity. And our minds and our meaning have not been able to keep up with that profound change. So, what can you do in your life, in your business, to start to address some of these higher order human needs? Because I think that's where the great innovations of the future are going to come from.